Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 43. In alternating current circuits at resonance, the angle of lead or lag is A. Pi over 2 degrees, B. 0 degrees, C. Pi over 3 degrees, D. Pi degrees. Now, what we are given here is an AC circuit, an alternating current circuit, AC circuit at resonance, and we're asked for the angle of lead or lag. Now, take note, we are looking at AC circuit at resonance, and the major characteristic of an AC circuit at resonance is that there is no lead or lag. Okay, so since there is no lead or lag, it means that the angle of lead or lag will be equal to 0 degrees, because we have established that there is no lead and no lag in an AC circuit at resonance. So 0 degrees is option B. Option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.